Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start lesson number 4, you should know. Now let us start question answer session. Answer the following questions with the help of clues. Question number 1, which animal never stops growing? Answer is crocodile. Lizards, snakes, amphibians and coral all continue to grow until they die. The scientific name for these creatures is undeterminate growers. Next question. Which instrument do the divers use underwater? Answer is aqualung. The modern name of the aqualung is scuba, meaning self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. The aqualung works using regulator or demand valve. It lets a person breathe in and out through the same mouthpiece. The regulator connects to tanks of compressed air and these attach to a vest the person can wear. Next question. Which creature can grow new legs? Answer is crab. Salamanders are champions at regenerating lost body parts. A flatworm called a planarian can grow back its entire body from a speck of tissue. But it is a very small simple creature. Zebrafish can regrow their tails throughout their lives. Next question. Which animal has the natural armor? Answer is rhinoceros. Armor in an animal is external or superficial protection against attack by predators, formed as a part of body rather than the behavior use of protective external objects. Usually through the hardening of body tissues, outgrowths of secretions. It has therefore mostly developed in prey species. Next question. How many bones are there in the human skull? Answer, there are 22 bones. The human skull is generally considered to consist of 22 bones, 8 cranial bones and 14 facial skeleton bones. Next question. Which substance catches fire in air? Answer is sodium. Sodium reacts with oxygen in air to form an oxide called the sodium oxide and traces of yellow sodium peroxide. Therefore, the sodium metal should be immersed in kerosene oil. If it is kept open, it reacts vigorously with oxygen and the moisture that is already present in the air and thus catches fire. Next question. Which substance catches fire in the presence of moisture in air? Answer is white phosphorus. It is highly reactive and spontaneously ignites at about 30 degrees Celsius in moist air. It is usually stored under water to prevent exposure to the air. Next question. Which is the hardest of all precious stones? Answer is diamond. Diamond is native crystalline carbon that is the hardest known mineral. It is usually nearly colorless. When transparent and free from flaws, it is highly valued as a precious stone. Next question. Which is the lightest metal? Answer is lithium. The largest or least dense element that is a metal is lithium. Lithium is atomic number 3 on the periodic table with a density of 0.534 gram per centimeter cube. Next question. Which metal becomes liquid at room temperature? A liquid metal is a metal or a metal alloy which is liquid at or near room temperature. A few element metal are liquid at or near room temperature. The most well known is mercury Hg. Next question. Which material is used in making the filaments of an electric bulb? Answer is tungsten. Whenever an electric current goes through the filament grows. Next question. What is rock cotton? Answer is asbestos. Asbestos. It is fibrous, heat resistant and non-flammable silicate mineral. Because of its widespread use, it is called as rock cotton. The roof of this house is made of asbestos. Now let us see fun fact. The lovely colors of the butterflies are made up of millions of minute scales that overlap one after another and cover the wings. These minute scales can only be seen through a microscope. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye.